guitar.com, and in this video, how to play Mele Kalikimaka, the Hawaiian Christmas song. Let's start with the chords. It starts on a G chord, and it ends with a G chord too. Must be the key of G. We're going to let the first finger, your index finger, hang loose, as we say in Hawaii. Your middle finger is going to go on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger, 6th string, 3rd fret. And your pinky is going to curl up and grab that 1st string on the 3rd fret. And you're going to play 6 strings. And that's to make changing chords a little bit easier. The next chord we go to is a D7. Your first finger is going to touch down on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Your middle finger slides over, stays on the 2nd fret and gets the 3rd string. And your ring finger comes over and gets the 1st string on the 2nd fret. You're going to play 4 strings. Then back to the G. Now from the G to the G7, all you're going to do is pick up your pinky and put down your first finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. To go from the G7 to the C is very easy. We're going to move all of our fingers in one string. Boom, like that. So your first finger is going from the 1st string to the 2nd string. The middle finger is going from the 5th string to the 4th string. Your ring finger is going from the 6th string to the 5th string. Say that 5 times fast. From the C, we're going to the E7. Almost the same thing. We're going to pick up our ring finger and move these 2 fingers over one string. Play all 6 strings. So again, we've got the C chord. Pick up your ring finger and move the middle finger and 1st finger up, gravity-wise, lower pitch-wise, to the E7. A7 is even easier. 1st finger picks up, middle finger goes over to the 4th string, ring finger grabs the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. You play 5 strings. To go from that to the D7, it's almost ukulele, folks, I'm telling you. You're going to take these 2 fingers and they just hop over one string, so they're on the 3rd and 1st string. Index finger lays down on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Play 4 strings. To go from the E7 to the A minor, you're already playing the E7. These 2 fingers hop over one string, so you're on the 2nd string and 4th string. Ring finger has to kind of crowd in there behind the middle finger on the 3rd string. You play 5 strings. The strumming pattern on Mele Kalikimaka is really loose and rhythmic. It's a light boom diggy diggy. You might have seen that in some of the other videos. Boom diggy. Except we're not really hitting the bass notes so much as more of a brush on the low 3 strings and then doing the steady beat, of course. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. And that's all there is to it. You want to practice slowly at first, so your rhythm is very tight and steady. And then gradually speed up. Now when I say gradually speed up, I don't mean practice going. Because you're practicing rushing then, and nobody likes that. So what you want to do is stop and start over again. Stop. And a metronome or a drum machine makes this a lot easier. You just reset the timing, the tempo. One more thing about this song, Mele Kalikimaka. Hawaiian is a fairly simple language phonetically. It's rich in culture and texture, but the actual sounds that you use to make it are fairly easy. But you might want to also practice the words Mele Kaliki. I might want to practice them. Mele Kalikimaka. Practice those slow as well. Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been how to play Mele Kalikimaka, the Hawaiian Christmas song. Please check the links below for the chart, other Christmas songs you might like, and there's a comment section. If you didn't understand anything, it's usually the teacher's fault. Please, by all means, ask a question. And thank you for watching.